Vroom is the central vacuum accessory you didn't know you could live without until you couldn't. Imagine cleaning up life's daily messes by just reaching in a cabinet and pulling out a vacuum hose that vanishes when you're done. Wow! Vroom makes life easy in the kitchen, the bathroom, even the garage. Powered by your central vacuum, Vroom gives you up to 24 feet of quick clean convenience. Vroom is the 3-second clean you need in the morning, when the kids are having a snack, when you want a clean car, even when unwanted guests show up. We hear the word convenience often, but what could be easier than pull, vacuum, retract? Vroom puts the wow in your central vacuum and your life. There are places in every home that always get messy. Over and over again, mess after mess after mess. Wouldn't it be great to have on-the-spot vacuum power for places like this? Well, you can with Spot by Vroom, the vacuum accessory that uses the power of your central vacuum to clean where messes happen day after day after day. It's always at the right spot. See the mess. There's the vacuum. Pull out the hose. Start. Vacuum mess. Then the hose vanishes as quickly as the dirt. Reach up to 15 feet to keep always messy spots spotlessly clean. Wow! Clean places dirt stays just out of reach. Dryer filters, litter boxes and food dishes, even pets themselves. Wow! So many messes, so little time. Add Spot by Vroom to your central vacuum and put the wow in the wall where it belongs. Once you had to pull a vacuum cleaner around the house. That was fun. Some people used central vacuums and did a far better job, but they still had to manage a bulky hose. But today, you can walk over and pull a central vacuum hose right out of the wall. What, you say? You pull out what you need, attach a lightweight cleaning tool, and go to work. Vacuum everywhere. Carpet, floors, upholstery, and more. When you're done, the hose vanishes back inside the central vacuum tubing. Wow! Hose makes whole house cleaning easier and more convenient. Pull, vacuum, retract. Wow! Hose puts the wow in the wall and in your life.